Okay. All right. Now we are going to start. If anyone has joined right now, it's not my fault anymore. We are already 15 minutes in. Ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right then. Then I am starting.
हेलो हाँ जी मैम
Okay. So four of you said it's false. It's not. We have to use the QTA method. So always in part C, read the question first, then the text, and then the answer options. So, I mean, we can't see who chose what. So, yeah, please always read the paragraph first. Let's go to the next. Oh, okay. Scoreboard is also there. I was not expecting this. Akash, you've scored. I don't know why you've scored more than others.
Ma'am, because taking in
Time.
Okay, all right. Here you have the next question. Not tested. Okay. So there we have it. Reading for inference is tested in Part C. Reading for inference means that from the words around some of the words or the ideas, we have to understand from the surrounding words. That's called reading for inference, that we are able to conclude the meaning from the context. Okay. And somebody has said identifying the writer's opinion and attitude is not tested. That is the most important skill that is tested in reading Part C. So make sure you know that. So yeah, inference means to conclude the meaning from the context. So if you didn't know already, you can, yeah, make note of it now. Okay. I think the scoreboard. Okay. Oh, Dinesh is on top now. You can see the scoreboard. And Jopa coming in second, Sanchita, Ankit, choice. All right. Let's go to the next. So you have to select multiple answers. Choose multiple. Did you choose all of them? Okay. Yes. So focusing on keywords is something that we shouldn't really be doing. Descriptive language, yes, that helps you identify the writer's opinion and attitude. Direct criticism, when directly the writer is trying to say something about others, that government should not do this. It's a very direct criticism. Understanding the line of argument is absolutely needed, but focusing on keywords, I meant keywords in the paragraph. So no, that is more for part A. So it's the red, blue, and yellow. That would be the right answer. Let's check the scoreboard now. Dinesh, why is there a fire sign? Sanchita, Simi, Ritu, and Jopa. Okay, so you still have time, so you can beat Dinesh and move on top. Okay, let's look at the next one. I don't know why I gave 30 seconds to this. Okay, Three of you said that we have to understand the exact meaning. Not really. So this is something OET also says. We don't need to understand the meaning of each and every word. Some ambiguity. Ambiguity means even if some words are not clear, that's okay. As long as you understand the overall meaning, the overall argument, that's what matters. So don't think that you need to understand every word. So good job. Oh, Jopa, you've moved up a spot. Sanchita, you can beat Dinesh. Go ahead. Okay. Yes. So the green one, that was the right answer. So no, we don't have to read the whole paragraph for reference words because pronoun will always be used in place of a noun. So one line prior and the line which includes that pronoun, that's what you have to focus on. You don't need to read the whole paragraph, all first few lines, last few lines. That doesn't work for lexical reference questions which have pronouns. Okay, let's move to the next. Oh, we'll see the scoreboard first. Oh, Dinesh again. Multiple selections you can do. You can choose more than one. Okay, yes. So the blue one was wrong. We don't have to do detailed reading in skimming. Skimming means speed reading. So we discussed this in the skills class. Some of you did not choose the yellow one. Noticing repeated words, we can look at that when we are skimming because that could indicate what the overall text is about. So speed reading, yes. Noticing repeated words, yes. Noticing asterisk, abbreviations, etc. That's something you can absolutely do. Let's use scoreboard. Okay, Jopa, now you're in second place. That's good. Ishu has come up, Ritu and Ankit. All of you, please beat Dinesh. I would have given less time, but this is the first time I'm also doing it. Okay, all the ones I've chosen true. So no, slight spelling mistakes are not acceptable. None of the spelling mistakes are acceptable in part A of reading because you will lose marks then. So we can't modify, I mean, we can't change the spellings, add anything, or that's not allowed. In reading, in listening part A, you can, as long as the pronunciation remains the same, but spelling mistakes and all are not allowed in reading part A at all. Okay. Oh, Ishu and Ankit climbing up. Okay. Kind of give the answer away.
False, ma'am.
I mean, I thought that I already gave the answer away, but apparently not. No, you can't modify the words to make them fit in the gap. No, that's not allowed at all. Your answers have to be the exact replication of what is written in the text. So no modification, no changing of spellings are allowed. You will not get any marks, not even half a point if you do that. Okay. Oh, Navdeep is back with an answer streak of 3. Great. I missed those notifications also. Good job, Navdeep. Did I give too much time for this also? What do you mean? You submitted? So this is the right order. I think some might have mixed up the red and the green one. So this is the correct order. If anyone is confused, you can take a screenshot for this. And this is the time management we discussed even in the skills class. Oh, okay. Anish is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Anish, great. Let's see the next. This is the last one. Go ahead. So, okay, so it's good that we can clear this up. So around 40 seconds, yes, that's the right one. You cannot spend more than 40 seconds on each question of part A. So please don't make that mistake. So somebody said 10 minutes on each question. If you spend 10 minutes, you're going to be there forever. So don't do that. Okay, I just, gave that option just as like a fun thing, but you've chosen that. No, I wasn't asking the overall time. Okay, for each question. That's why I written that in bold. And 10 seconds you can't. So Ankit has come in third. Ishu has come in second. And first is. Oh, there's a spotlight in everything. Oh no, there was like fourth and fifth. Sanchita, I saw your name. What happened?
Ma'am, I was fifth.
Yeah, why did those disappear? I want to see everybody. Okay. Yeah, we'll play again some other time. Okay, thank you so much everyone for participating in this. Great.